How to allow camera access on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, head over to this option, Settings. Now click on the option Account Info. Then scroll down, click on the option Verify My Age. Now click on Start Session and complete this process. Once you verify your age, you're gonna get the option of camera under Settings. For that, you'll need to launch your Settings app. Then head over to the option Apps. From the list of apps, you'll need to find Roblox. Now here, you're gonna find the option of camera. You'll need to click on that and toggle on for it. Likewise, head over to the Roblox app. Now navigate to the option Privacy and Content Restriction. Click on the option Communication, click on Camera Input and enable for this option. So this way you can easily allow camera access on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.